So welcome to EVUS speaking test today. So what is your name?
My name is Lily.
Your name is Lily. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is HUD NH ANH THảo. I'm 11 years old.
Okay.
I live in Cần Thơ City. I study at HUD NH ANH THảo Primary School.
Okay. So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is vegetable.
What is the first step to make your favorite food?
I make salad. First, wash some vegetable. Next, I chop some vegetable.
Okay.
Then I pour the sauce in the vegetable.
Okay, just the first step. So, number 4, where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in Vietnam.
So your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they?
No, that's art.
So can you find the differences between two pictures A and B here?
In picture A, the umbrella is closed, but in picture B, the umbrella is open.
Okay. Good. What else? Something else?
In picture 1, in picture A, have museum, but in picture B, have hospital.
Okay, that's good. Did you find something else?
Yes. In the picture A, the boy is playing the violin, but in picture B, the boy is playing the drum.
Is playing.
Is playing.
Okay. So let's move to part 2. So, okay, I got the copies here. So, I'm gonna ask you a question and you will answer it. Okay. What is Daniel's favorite food?
Daniel's favorite food is spaghetti.
When does he eat it? When does
he eats in the afternoon.
Okay. Where it is made?
It is made in Italy.
Okay. So how many ingredients does it have?
Noodle, beef, tomato sauce.
Okay. And how many steps are there?
There are 6 steps.
Okay. Good. So you're gonna ask me a question and I'm gonna answer it.
What is Jenny's favorite food?
Jenny's favorite food is hamburger.
When she eat?
She eats it in the morning.
Where they make?
Where it is made?
Where is it made?
It is made in USA.
How is ingredient?
It's about bread, beef, and cheese.
How many steps are there?
There are 5 steps. Okay, let's move on to part 3. So I'm gonna choose for you the topics. So the topic 1 is talking about your favorite food and how to make it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
My favorite food is salad. First, wash some vegetable. Second, I chop some vegetable. Next, I chop some vegetable. Then I put the vegetable in a bowl.
Okay.
After that, I pour some salad sauce on this.
Okay.
Finally, I put the salad in the plate.
Okay. That's all?
Yes.
Okay, that's all for the test today. So let's look at the camera and say goodbye for the audience.